Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our revision is going on and we are going to do today revision of chapter 7 understanding fraction part 6. Okay, 5 of the revisions we have done and today we are going to do 6th revision, in which children I have given you a revision exercise of this chapter and worksheet of this chapter. Okay, so I have given you the homework also to prepare your revision exercise and worksheet. And children, today I will also explain you roller coaster recap, which is given on page number 141. So some of the points which are given there, they are very important. You have to learn these points by heart because they can come in your examination. So children, these types of points, if there are given between the chapters also, so you have to learn those points because these can come in your MCQs, fill in the blanks, true false, these one mark question or objective type question, these statements can come. So prepare these statements very well. I am going to explain you also. If you will have any problem after explanation, then also you can ask me on group. And your today's homework is also, you have to learn the roller coaster recap and the important points which are given in between the chapters and definitions also. So children, today's revision is related from your revision exercise and worksheet. So be ready with your revision copy to solve these questions. So children, as very first, you take out your page number 141 and this one is roller coaster recap. So children, question can come from these topics, under these topics also. So I am going to explain you this, these 6 points are given here that I am going to explain you. So children, you learn these roller coaster recap also by heart. First point is, fractions are always measured with respect to a whole. This is one of the definition of fractions, that they are always measured with respect to a whole. Second point is, we get the equivalent fraction by multiplying the numerator as well as the denominator by the same number. We are taking out the equivalent fractions. If for example 4 upon 5 is given, so what will be the equivalent fraction of 4 upon 5? We will multiply 4 as numerator and 5 as denominator from the same number. Means if we are multiplying 4 with 2, so we will multiply 5 with 2 also. The multiples should be same for numerator as well as denominator. So this is the meaning of this statement, that whenever we are taking out the equivalent fractions, so we are multiplying numerator as well as denominator by the same number. Okay. Third point is, a fraction is said to be in its lowest term if the numerator and denominator have no common factors other than 1. We are reducing the term as we have done in the one of the exercise of this chapter 7 also. So in that, what we are doing, we are taking out, we are making lowest form of the fractions other than the number 1 is, or common factor other than 1 is left. Okay. So whenever if there is no multiples or common factors for the fraction, so it means that that this is the lowest term for the fractions. Fourth point is, like fraction have the same denominator while unlike fractions do not have same denominator. These are the definition. This is the definition of like and unlike, that like fractions are having same denominators while unlike fractions do not have the same denominator. Okay. Now, fifth point is a fraction with numerator less than denominator is called a proper fraction. This is same as the definition which is given in your chapter, but here there is the use of this less than and greater than sign. So a fraction having numerator less than denominator is called a proper fraction. Last point is a fraction with numerator greater than denominator. Okay, here the greater than sign is used, is called an improper fraction. Write improper fraction as mixed numerals also. We are writing improper fraction as mixed numerals. We are using improper fraction in mixed fractions also. So these are the 6 points. You have to see it carefully. You have to learn it. This can also come in your examination. Now let us see revision test and worksheet from which I have given you question today. These are the fill-ups of revision test which are going to come in your examination. As I have given you these fill in the blanks, not all, some of them I have given for your revision test also. So these are the 8 A to G fill in the blanks. You have to learn it. And now let's see worksheet. Here nothing to explain. These are the fill-ups and I have explained it to you earlier also. So I am not going to explain it again. If you will have any problem, then I will explain it again to you. Okay children, now let's see worksheet. Here is the worksheet. This is the figure and the first and second are the figures. They are the multiple choice question. Here from question number 4 I have given you the solution also. So you have to do this question. These are the 3 equivalent fraction you have to take out. This is the word problem. You have to find in question number 6 45 of 2 upon 3 or 2 upon 3 of 45. This is also the word problem. In this you have to reduce 20 by 48 to its lowest or simplest form. And question number 9 is you have to arrange these fractions into ascending order. 10th question is also the word problem. So these are the questions which I have given you for today's revision test. If you will have any problem, you can ask me again. Now children, your tomorrow's homework is you have to learn your roller coaster recap, which is given on page number 141, that I will give for tomorrow's revision test. Okay children, thank you and have a nice day.